Hello everyone, this is the first part of the video tutorial how to crochet a cardigan. In this video, I'll show you how to work the body and first front part. Complete details about the project are available at interunit.com/crochet cardigan pattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. Begin crocheting the cardigan from the bottom to top. Make a foundation chain of 171 chains or multiples of 10 chains plus 11 additional chains. First row, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 1. Into the following chain work 1 more single crochet. Chain 5. Skip 5. And then work single crochet 1. Skip 2 chains and work 3 double crochets into 1 chain. Chain 4. Into the following chain work 1 single crochet. And now repeat the pattern starting from the chain 5. Skip 5. Single crochet 1. And again skip 2, 3 double crochets into 1 chain and so on. At the end of the first row, after last chain 5, skip 5, work 2 double crochets. And 1 returning chain. Second row, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 1. Work 1 more single crochet into the following chain. Chain 5. Work single crochet 1 under the arch of 4 chains. Skip 2 chains or 2 double crochets of the previous row and work 3 double crochets into 1 chain. chain 4, and work single crochet 1 into the following chain. Now repeat the pattern starting from the chain 5. Finish the second row as your first one, work chain 5, skip 5, double crochet 2 and 1 returning chain. Third and all other rows work like your second one. Work single crochet 2, chain 5, single crochet 1 under the arch of 4 chains, skip 2 double crochets of the previous row and work double crochet 3 into 1 chain, make 4 chains, and single crochet 1 into the following chain. Then repeat the pattern starting from the chain 5. Crochet your first 10 rows using a larger size hook, and then continue working the pattern using a smaller size crochet hook. Begin decreasing chains from both sides of each row. Work the pattern regular way, but chain 4 here instead of 5. Row 29. Begin as usual single crochet 2, but now chain 4 instead of chain 5, and then continue the pattern regular way. Single crochet 1, double crochet 3 into 1 chain, and so on. So again, now chain 5 as usual, and work that way to your last repeat. At the end of the row 29, chain 4 instead of chain 5, double crochet 2, chain 1, and then work your row 30 as your row 29. Begin your 31st row like your row 30, but work chain 3 instead of chain 4, then continue the pattern regular way, and after the third repeat, chain 5, work 2 single crochets and 1 returning chain. After the single crochet 2, one returning chain and turn. Now decrease chains from one side only. So work the pattern regular way from this side and continue decreasing chains from this side. At the end of the 32nd row, work 3 chains and then continue working rows, decreasing chains from one side only. For the 33rd and 34th rows, work 2 chains and so on. When you decrease all the 5 chains, at the end of the row 38, after 3 double crochets into 1 chain, skip 1 chain, work double crochet 2 and 1 returning chain. Begin the row 39 with 2 single crochets, then skip 2 double crochet 3 into 1 chain and continue the pattern regular way. Begin the row 40 as usual. At the end of the row, skip 2 and work double crochet 1. Then again skip 1 double crochet 1 and 1 returning chain. Row 41, work 3 single crochets. And then continue chain 5 and so on. At the end of the 42nd row, work double crochet 1, skip 1 double crochet 1 and 1 returning chain. Then work the pattern regular way without decreasing chains. In the second part of the video tutorial, I'll show you how to work the back part, sleeves, and finish up the project.